ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് 2022-23 വർഷങ്ങളിൽ BA ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പേപ്പറായ റൈറ്റിംഗ് ഫോർ ദ മീഡിയയിൽ ചോദിച്ച 2 മാർക്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസേഴ്സുമാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വാട്ട് ഈസ് ടെക്നിക്കൽ റൈറ്റിംഗ്? Technical writing conveys specific information about a technical subject to specific audience for specific purpose. The words and graphics of technical writing are meant to be practical, that is, to communicate a body of factual information that will help an audience to understand a subject or carry out a task. What is dissertation? The words dissertation and thesis are often used interchangeably to refer to the mandatory final products in certain academic programs. The names are used in different ways in different places. In universities and colleges in USA, theses are the final project of master's degree. Dissertation, final project of doctoral degree. In universities and colleges in UK, thesis is the final project of doctoral degree. Dissertation is the final project of master's degree. What is broadcasting? Transmission of programs or information by radio or television. Distribution of audio or visual content to a dispersed audience via any electronic mass communication medium, but typically one using the electromagnetic spectrum, radio waves, in a one-to-many model. Example, FM radio programs, AM radio programs, TV news. What are the things usually covered in technical descriptions? Technical writing covers many genres and writing styles depending on the information and audience. One among them is description, technical description. It is a shorter version of explanation of procedures and processes that help readers understand how something works. Example, a technical writer might write a document that demonstrates how the braking system on a bike functions. It includes name of the product or process, gives a brief overview regarding its function, size, frames and other components. What is a documentary? A film that portrays reality or record reality without the aim of developing a plot or a storyline. Or we can write non-fictional motion picture intended to document reality, primarily for instruction, education, or maintaining a historical record. It focuses on the description of the theme. It is not dialogue-centric. What is a lead in news story? The lead or opening paragraph is the most important part of a news story. It gives readers the most important information in a clear, concise and interesting manner. It also establishes the voice and direction of an article. A reader gets the answers of 5 W's and 1 H through the reading of a lead. There are 6 types of lead: summary lead, anecdotal lead, question lead, contrast lead, teaser lead, and quotation lead. Who is a copywriter? Copy is the text that contains the advertising or selling message in an advertisement. These words are intended to attract the interest of the reader and to persuade them to buy or try a product. The person who writes the copy is called a copywriter. A copywriter creates clear, compelling copy to sell products and educate and engage consumers. What is a screenplay? The script of a film including acting instructions and scene directions. It is a form of narration in which the movements, actions, expressions and dialogues of the characters are described in a certain format. Visual or cinematic cues may be given as well as scene descriptions and scene changes. What is community radio? Community radio is when local people produce and broadcast their own programs and participate in operating the station. It is community space for people to meet and collaborate. It is extraordinarily fun and often life-changing. It typically leads to individual creativity and self-empowerment. It is a radio service offering a third model of radio broadcasting in addition to commercial and public broadcasting. Community stations serve geographic communities and communities of interest. Examples are Radio Matuli and Ahalya Radio. Radio Matuli is a community radio for Adivasi tribe in Wayanad, and Ahalya Radio is a campus community radio in the district Palakkad. What is blogs? Web blog or blog is a type of website that is like a journal. It allows freedom of expression, acts as a source of information and entertainment. There are three types of blogs: personal blogs, topic-based blogs, filter blogs. Personal blogs are run and updated by individuals. It is an area of interaction between a blogger and his followers. Topic-based blogs are operated by a company or organization to debate and discuss on common topics or specific topics and information related to the organization. Filter blogs focus on bloggers' web experiences. Filter is from bloggers' viewpoint. Some provide links with a commentary. What is media ethics? Ethics is a branch of philosophy deals with defining what is right or wrong in a certain social system. Ethics are the moral principles that govern a person's or group's behavior. Media ethics is a comprehensive set of principles and standards for the practice of news media. A journalist must have accuracy and truth, slander and libel consideration, impartiality, evaluation of source, credibility, objectivity, respect for privacy, and unbiased reporting. What is online advertising? It is a form of promotion that uses the internet and World Wide Web for delivering messages. It allows for the customization of advertisement, including content and posted websites, instant communication, and content that is not limited by geography or time. What is meant by cyber law? It is the legal regulations and frameworks governing digital activities. It covers a large range of issues, including online communication, e-commerce, digital privacy, and the prevention and prosecution of cyber crimes. Cyber crimes can involve criminal activities that are traditional in nature, such as theft, fraud, forgery, defamation, and mischief, all of which are subject to the Indian Penal Code. What is jingle? A jingle is a short song or tune used in advertising and for other commercial uses. Jingles are a form of sound branding. It contains one or more hooks and meanings that explicitly promote the product or service being advertised, usually through the use of one or more advertising slogans. What is pop-up? A pop-up is a window that automatically appears on a website while the user is browsing, often by itself. Pop-ups commonly contain advertising but can also show errors and notification and be sign-up forms. What is set design? Set design is the creation of the physical space in which the action of a performed event takes place. Primarily used to describe theatre production, it constitutes all the scenery, furniture, props, appearance, and overall look of the stage. What is production book? A collection of documents that contains all the information about your video production, specifically pertaining to the days your team will be on set. It's the organizational roadmap for what will happen, who will make it happen, and how and when it's all going to go down. കഴിഞ്ഞ 2 വർഷങ്ങളിൽ ചോദിച്ച എല്ലാ 2 മാർക്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തു. 2 മാർക്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിന് ആൻസർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 2 പോയിൻറ്റ്സ് എങ്കിലും കറക്റ്റ് എഴുതാൻ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. മാത്രമല്ല ഇപ്പം നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത 2 മാർക്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നാളത്തെ എക്സാമിന് 5 മാർക്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനായി ചോദിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പം നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത പോയിൻറ്റ്സ് ഒക്കെ തന്നെ ഒന്നുകൂടി എലാബറേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് എഴുതിയാൽ മതിയായിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും പഠിച്ച് നന്നായി പരീക്ഷ എഴുതുക. ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.